Okay, we're completing the square. So the first thing I need to do is look at the coefficient in front of the x. I've got 1x squared, so that will come from squaring this x. What do I need to put in the bracket to get to this? I look at the coefficient b over a, and I have to halve it. Okay, so how do I do a half of b over a? Well, a half of b over a is a half times b over a. And if I use a rule for multiplying fractions, I've got 1 times b on the top, so it's going to be b on the top, and then on the bottom I've got 2 times a, so it's going to be b over 2a in that bracket being squared. Okay, what's the next step when we complete the square? Well, this will square to give that. I'll get 2 copies of this times x, which will combine to give this term, but squaring this out will also generate this value here squared, and I need to take that away. So b over 2a, when we square that, what do we get? Well, I could write this as b over 2a times itself, or I could just say that when we square a fraction, we square the value on the top, so that's going to be b times b, b squared, and we square the value on the bottom. 2a times 2a is 4a squared. So this term here, when I square it, is b squared over 4a squared, so I need to subtract that, but I must not forget that there's been a plus c over a just waiting here that I need to put back in. So there's my next line. Okay, alright, and now what I've achieved here is I've just got x appearing once. Instead of having an x squared term and an x term, x only appears once. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to shunt terms around and make this term the subject of the formula. So x plus b over 2a squared equals, can you fill in the other side?